guys. So my topic was employment guidance. So when I was doing my research, I found the best information right on the ADHA website. So once you log in, you can go to resources, and then I went down to the new professional. So this tab here is going to do a really good breakdown of a lot of good information. There's a couple TED Talks that are available, and you can watch those. But the best part that I found was the new employment reference guide. So you can go ahead and click this link here, and it will take you right to this PDF. And this is a really good thing for you guys to go ahead and look through. There's a lot of really good information in here. So here's kind of a breakdown of it. So the best part of that I found going through it was just to kind of see how prepared we are. The information about the resume and cover letter, it's good information, but it just kind of is an overview of the things that we've already learned in this class. So that part you could kind of skip through. I think we've done a really good job of making sure that we know what we need to include in our resume and cover letter. But there's all kinds of information in here about the job hunting process, a great list of interview do's and don'ts. There's a list of questions that the employer might ask, which is really awesome because you can look through those kinds of questions beforehand, so you are really prepared when those questions are asked of you. There's also a section, so I'm going to skip through the resume stuff because like I said, I think we're all really prepared with those by now. So they have a list of things that you can do in different types of things. So whether you just want to work as a clinician, an educator, public health is huge right now with the pandemic, so there's a lot of things you can do. Like I said, here's the do's and don'ts. So that's a really great list, and then some of the questions. And then there's a part here too, because I know it applies to some of our students about moving. So this would be really great information for you to go through before you make that decision. It goes through the requirements that will be needed. And then, some states might require different licensing. So that's one thing that you'll want to research as well. And they have the process of that on here. So that's another really great thing. And then the last thing they kind of talk about is once you've had the job, you got this position, now what? We're fresh out of school, we're students, so we're a little nervous. But one thing is you want to be really self-aware, and then you want to go into it with a really positive attitude. They understand that we're students, but at the same point, we want to show that we are very competent and we want to do our best in this position. So I encourage everybody to go ahead and take a look at this PDF, and hopefully it will answer some of the questions you might have.